Hey everyone, it's Andrea of the Yarn Pack Mama. In today's tutorial, I wanted to go over the back loop only single crochet and how to make ribbing with that stitch as well. So I've already chained up 16 and I've worked a row of single crochet back across my chain, and I've turned my work, and now I'm going to, in this first stitch, put a single crochet stitch. That'll just make it a little bit simpler to have it anchored for this, and it doesn't matter, there is no multiple. So let's get into the back loop only. So as you may know, each stitch will make a V on top, as you can see here, and instead of working underneath of both, for the back loop only, we're going to work into the back loop only. And then we're just going to complete that stitch like a regular single crochet. And again, you work into that back loop only and you put in your single crochet. And I am actually going to do this all the way across. This is what the first row actually will look like. And now we're going to turn, and just like the row before, I'm going to start with an anchored single crochet in this first stitch, and then I'm going to start working the back loop only. And that's all there is to this stitch. And I'm going to work up until the end to work up a nice size swatch so that I can really show off the ribbing and how it looks when it's worked up for more than just a few rows. See you then. Okay, so I've come to the end of a few rows worked up in back loop only single crochet. And as you can see, there's this ribbing effect that you get, and it does make it, you know, pretty stretchy. And then again, you have that nice ribbing effect after you've worked up a couple of rows. And again, all I did was just after this first foundation row of single crochet, I worked one single crochet into my first stitch of every row just to anchor it a little bit more, and then I did a back loop only single crochet along. And again, that leaves these front loops open on the front, and the back will have the same effect as well. And again, it makes it stretchy and it gives it that classic ribbed look. For your projects, I plan on using this technique in a hat and some leg warmers that I am going to hopefully get out soon, or get to designing soon. I have an idea and I hope you guys are gonna love it. But until then, this again is how you do a back loop only single crochet to create that classic ribbed look. And I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.